about to show you something that you're going to use for the rest of your life trading and make money with it. Never ever pay anyone again, because I'm about to give you the secrets you need to succeed, especially on Deriv or on any trading platform that uses computer generated metrics. So once you get into your account, just go to Deriv Trader, open that. I want to focus solely on these markets that involve digits. So let's go over and under. So for example, over 1 or over 2. So once you open your account or you open Deriv Trader, this is what you get. So the trade type is on this side here. So I've selected over under. The number of ticks, the maximum is 10. The minimum is 1. Then you have the last digit prediction. So you can predict from 0 to 9. You have your stake. The payout is on this side, what you're gonna get from the stake. So you change the stake here. For example, this is $20 from my demo account. This is not my live account. Then come to this side. These are what you call your markets. So mainly when trading on Deriv Trader, you use the continuous indices. That is from 10 on S all the way to 100 on S, right? Leave the Forex for now. Leave the stock indices, cryptocurrencies, and commodities for now. Here you have chart types. So from the chart types, if it's a digit market, you'll only have the area and the tick, 1 tick interval. If it's a rise and fall, you can change to candlesticks. For example, let me just show you quickly. You can click 1 minute. From 1 minute and above, you can have your candlesticks. You can have the holo, you can have the OLC, but mainly use a candlestick. Let's go back to 1 tick because we want to go back to over and under. So this is a secret with this is the indicators. So you can have the momentum on, MACD, trend. Just go look at all of them there. Just Google online, you're going to understand them. So you could create a template from what you observe in the market, and then you have drawing tools like horizontal lines, Fibonacci, rays, and what's not. And you can download a template. But I want us to take a keen look at these digits here. So you have 0 at 9.81. From just looking at these digits, you should be able to tell yourself something very simple. This is probability. Anyone who did probability in high school or in elementary school can tell you. These digits, just click here. These are last digit stats for latest 1,000 ticks for volatility 100 1S index. So the one with the green bar is the most appearing. The one with the red bar is the least appearing. I have a group of apples and mangoes in a basket, 10 of them. And I dip my hand blindly in, and I get, out of 10 of the apples and oranges, I get 2 apples out of the 10 times that I dip, and I get 8 oranges. What does it mean? There is an 80% chance of oranges appearing when I dip my hand, and a 20% chance of apples appearing when I dip my hand. And it's the same thing with these numbers. These are just probabilities. So 0 has a 9.3, a 9.4% of appearing in 1,000 ticks. 1 has 11.3, 2 has 10.2, 3 has 9.5, 4 has 9.8, 5 has 10.2, 6 has 10.9, 7 has 8.1, 8 has 10.7, 9 has 9.9. And these numbers keep changing. So when you want to trade a particular trade type, for example, let's say you want to trade over 1 or over 2. If 0 has 10%, 1 has 10%, 2 has 10%, why the hell are you trading over 2 when you can clearly see those numbers have high percentages? So the probability of them appearing is quite high. So they'll keep appearing and you lose your money. Just look at these digits. Look at these percentages. If the percentages align with the market you're trying to trade, go for it. Like this one. For example, look, if I tried over 5, it's likely to happen because look at all the digits. 5 is greater than 5 is 10.3, 6 is 10.6, 7 is the least one, 8 is 11.2, 10 is 9 is 10.3. So if, for example, I sit here and notice a pattern, when it touches 2, it goes to 7, it goes to 8. So I enter the market very quickly with my bot or whatever I decide to trade. So for example, 0 is 8.6. It's the closest to the least appearing number. So the likelihood of over 0 failing is very low. So anytime it touches 0, trade over 0. Brothers, this is just probability, mathematics, simple elementary mathematics. If you dip your hand, you get apples. If you dip your hand again, you get oranges. Just think. This is something somebody is charging you $100 to teach you probability. Everything and every secret on deriv is on these numbers. If you want to trade over and under matches and differs, even odd. If you want to trade rise and fall and other markets that involve candlesticks, go online and look for a book called Candlestick Bible. It's free. You just need to search. Just look at these probabilities. Take these numbers as probabilities and think a number that appears most high is most probable, a number that appears least is least probable. Just that, and you'll have hacked deriv. And then apply risk management, not stake something you can't afford to lose, and you'll be good, brothers. Every day you'll make some money. Of course, sometimes you're gonna lose, but most times you're gonna win. And in trading, what you have to make sure that you do is ensure your losses are lesser than your profits, and you'll always be flooding with money. So if you want to learn how to create bots, make sure to look at this playlist here that has all the videos on how to create bots. So that is AI bot, even odd bot, expert speed bot, last digit tick bot, any bot you want is there. And if you want the free bots, just check the link in the comment section. Bye bye.